Alright, so we're just going to be jumping right into this tutorial just so we don't waste any time and we can just jump right into it. If you're looking for a channel that does a lot of programming, tech, data science, all that kind of fun stuff, be sure to subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we have a package installed onto our Python instance, and this is going to be called Pandas. When you install Pandas, usually you'll just get it when you download it because it's such a popular package. But just to make sure you have it, you can open up your terminal and you're just going to run pip install pandas. Hit enter and it will run its course. It'll go find the package and everything. And then it'll run, and if you don't have it, it will do everything. It will download it. It will fetch the package, download it. If you do already have it, it'll look like this, where it'll say requirement already satisfied. Make sure you do that very first, and we're going to be using Jupyter Notebooks for this tutorial. So basically what we're going to be doing is first we need to import the package. So this is the Pandas package that we need to import. So we're going to just say import pandas, and you can just say import pandas, but kind of a common theme and kind of what's just common knowledge is say import pandas as PD. So basically you're just shortening that to PD, so you're not having to type out pandas each time that you're using it. And that's just common knowledge. Everybody kind of knows that that's what pandas, or that's what PD stands for, just pandas. So after that, I would make sure that this file that you're using, whether it's a Python file or if you're in Jupyter Notebooks, make sure that it's the Jupyter Notebook file is actually in the same location as your CSV file that you're importing. Because if it's not, then you have to do a little bit of file retrieval and you have to find the path of the file, which I'm not going to get into. But if you do know the path of the file, it's fine. Obviously, you're not always going to be able to have the file and the CSV file and your Python file in the same folder. So what we're going to do is just basically import the CSV file now. So we say just df equals pd, so pandas.read_csv. And then I have one called betis.h.csv. Run that, it'll run, and we can look at our data frame. And that's exactly how it looks. And that's the simple basic steps for uploading a CSV into a data frame.